Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a desktop shortcut for any websites on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and you just need to navigate to the site that you want to create a desktop shortcut. For example, I'm gonna create a Roblox website. After you are in the website, you just need to select the three dot icon on the top right and just need to scroll down and select cast, save and share. Select create shortcut option and now you just need to type the shortcut name. I'm gonna type Roblox website. After typing it, select the create option. Default it's saving in the desktop. It's actually saved. Just now you just need to close stuff here. Just minimize this. As you can see, the Roblox website has been created in my desktop. Just double click on it and it will take directly to the Roblox website. And that's how you can create a desktop shortcut for any websites on your Windows PC. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.